Let me be quiet. Might find some northerns or some turtles. Or absolutely nothing. Bunch of fish though. Bunch of fish.
Snake eggs.
Are those snake eggs?
They have to be. There's still one there.
Huh?
There's still one there.
What? No, it's broke open.
That has to be a snake.
Guys, you let me know what kind of eggs these are. These are fresh. Wait, they could be, you think they could be turtle eggs?
They could be.
Like little snapping turtle eggs?
Probably.
Yeah, guys, let me know what kind of eggs these are. They're just round, ball shaped. Found right up here next to the water. I mean, they're just right there, not like in a hole or anything. I know turtles lay their eggs close to the water. Could that be what they are? Let me know in the comments. So you guys remember when I came out here in the part one of this place has so many herps, and I found that trail at the beginning that was cut off by the water, and we just found this mysterious trail. That's the trail that gets cut off by the water. So it looks like there's a way around it. We'll let you know. We made it to what looks to be a dam, but I don't want to cross the dam. I don't really trust that. So this goes up around. Oh, it goes up that way. And there's the road. There's your car. Everything's so close. We can touch it, but we can't. Oh God. Okay, I can't film and do this. So guys, I was just walking through here with the GoPro. Look what's right there. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a black rat snake. And I'm going to attempt carefully grab him. They love hanging out in spots like these because there's a lot of rodents. Oh, he knows I'm here. He's backing up. I'm gonna get bit, but I'm gonna try. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, we got it. Oh wow, 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 wow. Look at. Oh, okay. You're okay. Please don't. You're gonna. Wow. Okay. See, even when handled, this snake doesn't necessarily want to bite me. He just wants to get away, and these things are all muscle. It's ridiculous. I know we've talked about these guys a lot, so I'm going to let him kind of get calm, realize that I'm not a threat. It's for you guys that want to get into herping and handling snakes. I've never really done it before. If you handle a snake like this, just don't grab him. Just kind of let him coast through. Keep his body on the ground. You know, he's wraggling around and stuff like that, but just the fact that he knows he has something under him, it's going to make him less likely to actually hurt himself. Whereas if you were holding him and he was twisting around and stuff like that, that would be worse. So, he will calm down here a little bit. Just takes him a minute. But I do want to show you guys this beautiful animal. These things are so muscular. Ah. Okay, there we go. Get your biting out of your system. Hang on. It's okay. It's alright. You're okay. You're alright. Yeah, see, he's calming down finally. Took him a minute, but he got there. He got there. Once he realized I'm not a threat, he just kind of coast through. Now what I want to do with this guy Now that we've hung out with him a little bit, I'm gonna let him go. Hang on. There you go. I'll let him go and do his thing. Show you guys how awesome of a climber he is. Cruising up there. Going back to doing his thing. That is amazing. I did not expect to find him in this area. He's going back over that way. Let's see. Over here. Yep, he is going straight into that area where he can hang out and hunt whatever he wants. That's awesome. First snake at Big Ridge. Check this side over here for the flipping shell and stuff. There's this house here that's for sale, and that's probably too hot. And then right next to it is this abandoned barn that, well, Rob, you told me to find an abandoned barn, so that's what we're doing. Gosh, it's getting hot. So there should be some cool stuff in here. This is ridiculous. Just when you guys thought it was over. This is the most unsafe ladder in the history of unsafe ladders.
This deserves a golden star, dude. These boards are shot.
Yeah.
There's some boards up here.
Really?
Like, spaced out, too.
Oh, God. Are you going to try to get up there?
Yeah. Hold my water.
Okay.
If I die, I die. I mean...
Alright, show you guys how rickety this thing is.
There's 10 up here.
Really?
Yeah.
Flip it.
Okay.
Here. Take the internet. Okay. It's recording, so you're good.
Definitely something been up here. Oh.
Is there stuff to flip?
Yeah.
Flip it. Watch that. It's real blue.
I see that. Whew. There's hay bales and everything up here. Ugh. Whew. Whoever built this was out of their mind. It's like the most unsafest thing ever.
Dude. Alright, hang on. Let me get back down.
Oh my God.
Hey, internet. Herp as I say, not as I do. Okay? Woo! The last step's a lot further down than you think. You have to lay down to hand me the camera. Okay, guys, you're in safe hands now. Oh, I guess I should help him out. You got this.
Yeah.
Okay, Connor made it. Couldn't really record that. I had to make sure he didn't kill himself. Well, guys, shell didn't produce anything, so I was gonna wrap it up, fishing a little bit. I'm gonna unwind and then go home and edit all this footage. for you all. I'm excited for you guys to see it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be just as awesome, if not more. So yeah, you wanna say bye to the internet?
Huh?
You wanna say bye to the internet?
See you later.
Almost fell.